Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. I'm Melissa if you haven't been here before. Today what we're going to do is we're going to be playing with the Sigma Rendezvous eyeshadow palette. And I'm just going to be doing a little quick look with this, see what I think about it, and kind of play with it a little bit. If you want to see me playing with the Sigma Rendezvous palette, see what kind of look I come up with, then just keep watching. Alright, I got my hair up. I'm going to take my glasses off. I did my brows with the e.l.f. brow pencil in deep brown, and I primed my eyes today with the Sigma eyeshadow base primer in the shade Ignite. It's actually the shade of my eyelids. I got this new shade where I did have the sparkly shade before that did not work as an eye base. It would look pretty as just a topper or something, but it did not work for an eye base. But I wanted to hop into this palette. I decided to grab this palette because it's super cute, something quick for the holidays if you're just running out somewhere or just want a quick look for a quick party or something. I also got the little Lorac palette, mini palettes. That's kind of the same idea, you know, something quick to just throw on your eyes for a pretty look, pretty simple look. And I tried to do a video last night with it, with one of them, but my battery died on me, so I just finished my makeup and decided not to film a video. I always put my battery on the charger after I get done filming, but the charger had like come loose from the wall a little bit, so it wasn't all the way connected to the wall and the outlet, all the way in the outlet, and kind of didn't get charged all the way, so that's alright. But I'm going to get into this palette and quit talking. I'm going to get into the shade Tryst right here, and I'm going to put that on my crease for a transition shade. And I'm using, this brush actually came with the palette. It's a little bitty E25. I'm going to use this brush. I just got done, when I was getting ready to film, watching the Teresa is Dead video, where it's a video she put up today where she's talking about her friend Dewana, that obviously her friend's sick, from what I gathered, and she's trying to raise money with the ads from her video, which I think like her friends and stuff are raising money for her too, but I think that's what she's gonna do so that she can help raise money. But she started tearing up a little bit and got me tearing up a little bit. I wasn't prepared for that. But it was a really sweet video. It was funny and sweet, so I recommend, if you want to hear a funny and sweet video or story and watch her doing her makeup, that you check out Teresa is Dead's video. She does cuss a whole lot. If you don't know Teresa is Dead, she says some words that some people might not want to hear, but she's hilarious. Alright, now I'm going to go in with Bootleg, and I'm going to put that on my outer corner and a little in my crease, I think. I'm going to take Maverick right here. And I'm taking a little E56 shader lid brush. And I got this free with one of my orders. So I'm going to try this out. It's just a little bitty mini brush. It's so cute. I did really good picking up the product. Might be my favorite shimmer shade brush. And this shade is like uber glittery and pretty. Beautiful. I have more control with the brush as to where I'm placing the shimmer shade too. It's just wide enough and long enough and just perfect. I'm excited. I got a cotton round with some micellar water and I'm going to clean up my edges. I don't think I had any fallout. Just clean up these edges right here. I'm taking the Ulta Beauty Poreless Face Primer. I'm going to dot a little bit on my face. I don't know how much I've used this. Alright, I'm taking the CoverGirl and Olay Simply Ageless 3-in-1 foundation. I tried this out yesterday. It was a little light, but I don't know. Has the same smell as the other foundation. I'm going to blend it out with my multitasker brush. Which I did get shade Fair Ivory, so I might need the shade like right above that. Yeah, this has the same smell as the other CoverGirl and Olay foundation. It doesn't smell bad. It reminds me of something, I just can't place it. I'm going to use the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer in Fair Warm. I'm taking my concealer brush to blend that out. Taking the number 7 powder in light, and I'm going to set that concealer. I'm taking the number 7 bronzer in Golden Sand. use that to warm up my face. Going under my chin, going down my neck. Alright, now I'm taking the Sigma Rose Glow Cheek Duo. And I'm going to put the blush on my, which is Corta Rosa, on my cheeks. And I'm going to take the Gilded highlighter and put that on the high points of my face, starting with my cheekbones. I'm going to put Bootleg on my lower lash line real quick. And I'm going to take Moonshine and I'm going to put that in the inner corner of my eye. Alright, I'm going to hop off here, throw on some Thrive Cosmetics mascara, and I'll be right back. Now I'm taking Juvia's Place lip liner in So Rare. I'm going to put that on my lips. Alright, now I'm taking the Maybelline Lifter Gloss in Stone. I picked up a few more of these. They had on buy one get one 50% off on Ulta, so I grabbed a few more shades of this. And I'm going to take the Morphe Luminous Setting Spray. And spray my face. Has a nice smell to it as well. Alright, well this is the final look using the Sigma Rendezvous eyeshadow palette. I really, really like this little palette. I think it's super cute. I think you have 2 shades to set up in your look, the 2 matte shades, and then you have 4 shimmer shades to use on the lid or inner corner or wherever. So I think it's a perfect little quick eyeshadow palette to use during the holidays. Like I said, if you have a quick holiday party that you don't want to think about what to do with your look, you just don't want to, you want to do a cute, simple look, this is perfect. And it wasn't super expensive, and Sigma's always running deals on their website for things. I know they just had 30% off, so I'm real excited to keep using this palette and to keep having fun with this palette, because I had a whole lot of fun doing this look and making this look. It didn't take a super long time, but I enjoyed putting it together. So the foundation that I use, I really like it. It's a little light on me, I think. Well, it's not bad. It just looks a little light to me, I think. It's not bad though. I can make it work, but I really, really enjoy it. I think it's really pretty. So that's a winner. And I think everything else except the color of the lifter gloss I've used before, which this color is beautiful. So I really, really had a great makeup day. Actually, the eyeshadow primer is new too. So the eyeshadow primer, I think, worked really well. I think it canceled out any of my discoloration. So it kind of gave me a blank canvas like I like. And I think it's gonna, we'll see how it holds on to shadow, but I think it's supposed to do really good with that. So we'll see how that works out. But I also like these little brushes that I got. I love the E25, so I knew I was going to love this, but the length I was afraid was going to be a little too short, but actually it worked out perfect. And this little brush I'm loving for shimmer shades, so I'm real excited about these, and I got them free with my purchases. So, well, this one I got with the, it came with the palette, and this one I got free with my purchase, so I got to pick that out. But I think that's all. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. If you did, please hit the like button. Also subscribe if you haven't already. I'd love for you to become a part of our family here. Also ring the bell so you can be notified whenever I upload my amazing content. And that's going to be all for me. I hope you are staying happy, staying healthy, taking care of yourselves, and I hope you have a great rest of the day. I'll talk to y'all later. Bye, y'all.